Oh hi guys, welcome back. Here's how you can install and activate add-ons in Blender, a 3D modeling program, so that you can use the add-ons to help you model. Just like this, I can make 3D objects and then I can, deform it just like so, and then the add-ons are for something else. So to do this, click on Edit, Preferences, and then click on Add-ons, and then here are the pre-installed add-ons that you can use. So to make an add-on to appear, tick the box, and then if you want to install a new add-on, for example, if you download it, click on the down arrow and then click on install from disk. Go to downloads. For example, you want to have this as the add-on, node preview. It should be in the format of zip. It should be zipped, and then click on install from disk. As you can see, there's some error here. So I guess I downloaded the wrong one, or the add-on doesn't support the version of Blender that I'm using, or something like that. So once you found the add-on, simply tick on the box. Well, that's pretty much it about adding add-ons in Blender, a 3D modeling program, so that you can model in 3D. Thank you for watching, guys. In spite of the error, I hope you pretty much get the point of ticking the pre-installed add-ons, and then you can add add-ons in the zip file format. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.